Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of off-road vehicles that are so crazy, you'll want to ride them right now. From futuristic ATVs to powerful snow machines, we've got a list that will blow your mind. Imagine tearing through rugged terrains with a beastly engine roaring beneath you. These vehicles are designed to handle the toughest environments and deliver an adrenaline-pumping experience. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just someone who loves innovative machines, this list is sure to captivate your imagination. So buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride as we explore these incredible off-road vehicles. Let's jump right in and see what makes each of these machines so special. First up on our list is the KTM 1290 Super Adventure R. This beast is powered by a 1,301cc V-twin engine that delivers an impressive 160 horsepower. The engine's torque is equally impressive, providing the grunt needed to tackle steep inclines and rough trails with ease. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is equipped with advanced off-road capabilities. It features a robust suspension system with long travel, allowing it to absorb bumps and jumps like a pro. The bike also comes with multiple riding modes, including an off-road mode that tailors the bike's performance for dirt and gravel. The chassis is designed for stability and control, even at high speeds. The bike's lightweight frame and low center of gravity make it incredibly agile. One of the standout features is its advanced electronics package, including traction control, cornering ABS, and a quick shifter. These features enhance performance and provide an added layer of safety. The bike's design is rugged and aggressive, reflecting its off-road prowess. In summary, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is a powerhouse of an off-road bike that combines brute strength with advanced technology. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or speeding through open deserts, this bike is up for the challenge. Next, we have the Atrina, a futuristic ATV 4x4 that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's packed with advanced technology that sets it apart from the competition. The sleek and aerodynamic design is the first thing you'll notice. Made from lightweight yet durable materials, it can withstand tough conditions. The powerful electric motor provides instant torque and smooth acceleration. This makes it incredibly responsive on challenging terrains. Plus, it's eco-friendly. The advanced suspension system delivers a smooth and controlled ride. It uses hydraulic and pneumatic components. You can adjust the suspension on the fly. Equipped with a state-of-the-art navigation system including GPS, terrain mapping, and real-time data. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and an advanced braking system. It also has a roll cage and reinforced body panels. The Atrina combines cutting-edge technology with rugged performance. Meet the Ripsaw EV2, a civilian adaptation of a military vehicle. This high-speed tracked vehicle handles extreme conditions with ease. Powered by a 600 horsepower diesel engine, it reaches speeds up to 60 miles per hour. Its torque allows it to climb steep inclines and plow through mud and snow. The patented torsion bar suspension ensures a smooth ride. Inside, it features a spacious, climate-controlled cabin for 4 passengers. Safety features include roll bars and reinforced body panels. The Ripsaw EV2 offers unparalleled performance and durability for any terrain. Next on our list is the Alumacraft Sportsman 2, a vehicle that's built for versatility and durability. This off-road machine is designed to handle a wide range of terrains from sandy deserts to rocky mountains. The Alumacraft Sportsman 2 is powered by a high-performance engine that delivers impressive power and torque. One of the standout features of the Alumacraft Sportsman 2 is its robust suspension system. It uses long travel shocks and heavy-duty springs to absorb the impact of rough terrain. The suspension is also adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune the ride to suit your preferences. The Alumacraft Sportsman 2 is built with durability in mind. It features a reinforced chassis and body panels made from high-strength materials. One of the unique aspects of the Alumacraft Sportsman 2 is its versatility. It's designed to be used in a wide range of off-road environments. In conclusion, the Alumacraft Sportsman 2 is a versatile and durable off-road vehicle that's built to handle a wide range of terrains. Next up, we have the Wazuma Snow, Lazareth, a vehicle that's designed to handle snowy conditions with ease. This unique off-road machine combines the best elements of a snowmobile and an ATV. The Wazuma Snow, Lazareth is powered by a high-performance engine that delivers impressive power and torque. One of the standout features of the Wazuma Snow, Lazareth, is its track system. Instead of traditional wheels, this vehicle uses a set of tracks that provide maximum traction on snow and ice. The tracks are made from a tough, puncture-resistant material, the Wazuma snow. Lazareth also features a robust suspension system that's designed to absorb the impact of rough terrain. One of the unique aspects of the Wazuma snow, Lazareth, is its versatility. It's designed to be used in a wide range of snowy environments. In conclusion, the Wazuma snow, Lazareth is a unique and versatile off-road vehicle that's perfect for winter adventures. If you're looking for a vehicle that offers both performance and versatility in the snow, the Wazuma snow, Lazareth is definitely worth considering. Next on our list is the Sora Grouphun HUNTA, a vehicle that's built for extreme off-road adventures. This robust off-road machine is designed to handle the toughest terrains, from muddy swamps to rocky trails. The Sora Grouphun HUNTA is powered by a high-performance engine that delivers impressive power and torque. One of the standout features of the Sora Grouphun HUNTA is its rugged build. The vehicle is constructed from high-strength materials, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of off-road riding. The body panels are reinforced, and the chassis is designed for maximum durability. The Sora Grouphun HUNTA also features a robust suspension system that's designed to absorb the impact of rough terrain. Inside, the Sora Grouphun HUNTA is designed for comfort and convenience, featuring a spacious cabin with comfortable seating for up to 4 passengers. The interior is equipped with advanced navigation and communication systems. The vehicle's tires are specially designed for off-road use. One of the unique aspects of the Sora Grouphun HUNTA is its versatility. It's designed to be used in a wide range of off-road environments. In conclusion, the Sora Grouphun HUNTA is a robust and versatile off-road vehicle that's built to handle the toughest terrains. If you're looking for a vehicle that offers both performance and durability, the Sora Grouphun HUNTA is definitely worth considering. Finally, we have the Lesnik Forester Master, a vehicle that's designed specifically for forestry work and rugged off-road conditions. This off-road machine is built to handle the toughest environments, from dense forests to rocky trails. The Lesnik Forester Master is powered by a high-performance engine that delivers impressive power and torque. One of the standout features of the Lesnik Forester Master is its rugged design. The vehicle is constructed from high-strength materials, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of forestry work. The body panels are reinforced, and the chassis is designed for maximum durability. The Lesnik Forester Master also features a robust suspension system that's designed to absorb the impact of rough terrain. The vehicle's tires are specially designed for off-road use. One of the unique aspects of the Lesnik Forester Master is its forestry capabilities. It's designed to be used in a wide range of forestry environments. In conclusion, the Lesnik Forester Master is a rugged and versatile off-road vehicle that's built to handle the toughest forestry environments. If you're looking for a vehicle that offers both performance and durability, the Lesnik Forester Master is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. We hope you found our rundown of the craziest off-road vehicles as exciting as we did. These machines are not just about power and performance, they represent the pinnacle of innovation and engineering in the off-road world. Let us know in the comments which off-road vehicle you'd love to ride.